Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Received this package. It is a 2-pack of solar driveway, walkway, wireless garden solar lights. It's very inexpensive on their Amazon store. Go check out Vont. Link is in the description. IPX7 LED lights. The solar panel is on top. Adjustable spike where you would just jab into the ground, just like such. Stick it in the ground. In the daytime, it charges the batteries inside, and at night, it automatically turns on when it's dark to illuminate your walkway, your walk path, your driveway, your garden, wherever you choose. If you don't want to mount it on the spike for the ground, it comes with screws and anchor hardware so that you could remove this base and attach it to the side of your house if you choose, or on a wall somewhere to illuminate like sconces. But you'd have to make sure that the solar panel has access to the direct sunlight. I'm going to place these in my front walkway so that when it turns dark, it could illuminate my path to my door. A 2-pack, very affordable. I think it's less than $25. It's very cheap. Once again, these are Vont LED solar pathway lights, wireless. All you do is stick it in the ground and you're good to go, and wait till it turns dark. So to demonstrate how this works, usually you'd have to wait until it's dark, but the sensor is usually on the top here, so you just cover this up and it should be able to illuminate. There's a switch in the back for on and off, so I'm just going to turn it on, and I'm going to cover up the solar panel. Or maybe I just turned it off. Here, I'll turn it on now. And there we go. See? I'm covering up the solar panel, and it's bright now. There we go. That's how it works. It's pretty bright. That has 5 banks of LED lights. Pretty good. So we'll plug this in the front and wait until it gets dark, and I'll show you what it looks like then. I'm in my garage where it's dark, and they automatically turned on as I was walking around. So in a blackout, you can actually just take these and take them into your house. So here's my front pathway. I've got one here pointed towards that side, and this one here is pointed towards the stairs. This way, when it's really dark, you can see where you're going and you won't trip on your stairs. Okay, so now it's dark, and now my little patio stairs are lit up, along with the pathway over here. And it's not even that dark, and it's on. They're very bright, aren't they? So that works out great. Really cool product for your home. Thanks a lot for joining me on this weekend product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.